Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Audible audiobooks on the mobile app. And basically, if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. So I'm using an iPhone or the iOS Audible app for this video, but if you're using the Android app, it works the exact same way. And what we can do is I'm on the home page of the Audible app. Go on the bottom row, there's some different buttons. Go to the library section. And then we can see all of the different titles that we have purchased on our account. So on the left hand side, you see the audiobook artwork. Some of the audiobook artwork is complete, and then some of it, if we scroll down, some of the titles have this sort of triangle section with a download sort of symbol in there. To actually download a track onto your device, you need to press that download symbol. I'm going to do it for that title, The Inner Game of Tennis. And that's going to start the progress of the download. And you can see how fast or slow the download is taking by the speed. And then from there, we have completely downloaded an audiobook from Audible onto this iPhone device. And why would we actually do this? Why would we download an Audible audiobook onto your device? It's because, let's just say that you were traveling or you were taking a flight and you did not have an internet connection. To play Audible audiobooks, traditionally, you have to be connected to a Wi-Fi or an internet connection to actually be able to listen to the book. But if you download the entire audiobook onto your device, you can listen to that audiobook wherever you are in the world with or without an internet connection. And on the right-hand side, you have a play button. Press that. One begins to trust. And then from there, the Audible audiobook will start playing. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.